The Galápagos Islands are a volcanic archipelago in the Pacific Ocean, known for their unique and diverse wildlife. The islands are famous for being the inspiration behind Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. The Galápagos are home to species that are found nowhere else on Earth, including the giant tortoise, marine iguana, and flightless cormorant. The island's isolation has allowed species to evolve in unique ways, resulting in an extraordinary level of biodiversity. The Galápagos Marine Reserve is one of the largest and most biologically diverse marine protected areas in the world. Visitors to the islands can snorkel with sea lions, walk among nesting seabirds, and explore volcanic landscapes. The islands are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, both for their terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The Galápagos are also an important site for scientific research and conservation efforts. The island's unique ecosystems are fragile, and responsible tourism is essential to preserving them. The Galápagos are a living laboratory of evolution, offering a glimpse into the processes that shape life on Earth. Enjoyed the journey with us? Don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to join us on more Whispering Trails adventures. Thanks for being part of our travel community.